Hello everybody, I wanted to show you my new butterfly purple skirt from Amazon. I'll link the fuller description, but look at this. Look at this skirt. Oh my gosh. Well, this is my, so here's a little slip underneath, which is like really nice. It's black and soft, and the material of this skirt, if you want to see, it's kind of like this net-like material on top of the black slip thing. So very soft, very like smooth to touch, and very comfortable. A nice length, you know, below the knee and everything. Very comfortable. We're just chilling in this skirt that I got as a gift from the skirt company. So this is a product that's on Amazon, and check out my Amazon influencer page. A lot of the products that I talk about here on YouTube are also over on Amazon influencer page and whatnot. Thank you so much for supporting it. Butterfly purple, but it also does come black, pink. There's all kinds of, so let me, okay, so I'm looking at it on my other phone on the Amazon app, and this is the women's Y2K mesh midi skirt, elastic high-waisted floral print bodycon mermaid long skirts for women. That's the description of this product. And as you can see, let me scroll up, and excuse my broken phone screen, but let me scroll up and show you all the options. There's lots of colors, so let me read some of them out for you. So these are white flower. There's a black one, it's really cute. Actually, the black one, just a plain black one, is really cute as well. Look at that. Then we also have, let's see, what is this called? This is the brown flower. It's really cute. All of these are really cute, actually, now that I look at them in more detail. So then the butterfly purple is the one I'm wearing, and then there's navy floral. They have a lot of color options for these guys, like a lot. So make sure you scroll to see all your options. Then there's plaid black. Oh my god, plaid black. Oh, how cute. Then there is plaid brown. Then there is ditzy floral. Oh my gosh, this is too cute. This is so cute. I could only pick one, so you saw me in the butterfly purple, but yeah, gothic brown, jacquard, army green, leopard. Oh my gosh, leopard brown. There are so many colors here. Plaid green, white, blue flower. These are extremely cute, guys. These are extremely cute. So if you're interested, once again, this is over on Amazon. You can go find this product if you're interested. And it is called Women's Mesh Midi Skirt Elastic High Waist Band Floral Print Bodycon Mermaid Long Skirts for Women. And I will make sure that is also somewhere in the description and on the screen and whatnot. But the brand is called Yewanka, and that is spelled as not W, Y-E-W-A-N-K-A. Yewanka. So hopefully you liked all that, and let me show you the skirt one more time. Let me show you. Isn't that so cute? This is so comfy. I really like how comfortable it sits on my body, and that I can just easily sit down, like sitting right down on the floor, and it's not too short where you'd be like worried about sitting down on the floor suddenly, like, and things like that. It's very comfortable, very elastic, very like, you know, mwah. Look at how cute this is. Even the packaging. Women's Y2K mesh midi skirt, elastic high-waisted floral print bodycon mermaid long skirts for women apparel. Let's open this. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is so cute. I'm gonna wear it.